from Wednesday our tenses. How many tenses have we finished in our class? The first tense we have done. Only the one
Yeah.
tense, right?
Right.
Correct. Now today I'm going to show you the second tense in English, and that's what simple past tense. It is one of the most easiest tense in English. Simple past tense is one of the most easiest tense in English. Is that clear? It is the easiest tense in English we have ever. Simple past tense is the easiest tense of English. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
So now as you can see over here, simple past tense. Now when do we use simple past tense? Who can tell me? When do we use simple past tense?
Just happening recently in the past.
Correct. Exactly. He is right. When something happened recently, we use their simple past tense. Now today I'll be showing you when to use second form, third form of the verb as well. Apart from this one, and there are many other things I'm going to share with you. By the way, would like to ask you one more question that which I forgot to ask you. That do you have any problems, any doubts regarding the last lecture of our simple present tense?
No.
Any questions, any doubts, any problems? Rohit, Wajid bhai, Umer bhai, Zubair bhai.
From my side, no.
Okay, so when do we
Sir,
use simple tense? Yeah,
hello.
Rohit. Yeah, yeah.
सर हाँ, was और where कब यूज करने का मतलब हम where यूज करते हैं, were यूज करते हैं, और was कब यूज करने का मतलब दोनों में कौन सा कब यूज करने का?
Simple है एकदम.
हाँ,
Same. We use was for was and were. We use both of them for past tense, right? Correct. Was and were, both of them
yes.
we use for past tense. Was is like is.
Past.
When do we use is? We use is in present. We use was in past, and both we are using for singular. Is and was both we are using for singular. Same case, were is like are. Are we are using in present, and were we are using in past, and both are we are using in the plural form. For example, just have a he is a student. Correct?
हाँ,
एक student है. He is a
student.
student. Next one. He was a student. Manje, what do you mean by this?
ये एक स्टूडेंट था.
हाँ, student होता.
वो student होता, ये एक student था. Next one. They are
Student.
doctor.
Doctor.
वो लोग doctors हैं.
Hey.
Plural. Okay? हैं.
Yes.
And they were doctors. What do you mean by this one?
Oh, ये डॉक्टर होते.
डॉक्टर्स होते.
ये doctors होते.
ये डॉक्टर होते.
Doctors होते.
डॉक्टर्स होते.
Is that clear? Yes, is that clear?
Yes.
इसके लिए मतलब वो ओके ठीक है.
Simple एकदम. Was and were.
Yeah.
इतना ही है उसके अंदर, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. Was we are using for singular for the past tense. What we are using for plural for the past tense. Okay?
Okay, yes sir.
इसको एक बार घर पे आने के बाद एक बार इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है. यहाँ पे देखना है. ये मैंने आपके साथ में शेयर किया ना, ये वाला डॉक्यूमेंट. आप इसको ओपन करते कि नहीं कभी?
करते ना सर.
करने का, याद से करने का ओपन, और इसकी जियारत करने का, ऐसे जरा पाए भी पढ़ने का उससे जरा थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. मैंने लिखा हूँ. By the way, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. All right, now today we are going to have the second tense of English, and that's what? Simple past tense. We have done simple present tense in our class, and now today we are going to show you simple past tense. Now when do we use simple past tense? As Zubair bhai said, he is absolutely right that we are using simple past tense when something has done recently. When something has done recently. जब हाल फिलहाल में हुई. रिसेंटली का मतलब होता है ज्यादा देर नहीं हुई है, ज्यादा देर नहीं हुआ है उसको ज्यादा देर नहीं हुआ है. उसके लिए अपन क्या यूज करेंगे? सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. व्हेन समथिंग इज डन रिसेंटली वी यूज देयर सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. ओके? व्हेन समथिंग इज डन रिसेंटली वी यूज देयर सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, नाउ अब यहाँ पे उसका सबसे सिंपल रूल है, सबसे इजी रूल है, सबसे इजी टेंस है अपना सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इन इंग्लिश. Now when do we use simple past tense? When something had done recently. The simple past tense rule is there. Past tense, we are going to use only the second form of the verb. Do का क्या हो जाएगा? Did. Have will become had. Go will become
went.
went. Exactly. So we are going to use there only the second form of the verb. That's it. इतना ही उसका rule है, बाकी कुछ भी rule नहीं है. For all the pronouns, he, she, it, verb second form. You, are you with a verb second form. सबके लिए same है, same. सबके लिए same rule आएगा यहाँ पर. सबके लिए rule same है. सबके लिए rule same है. Are you with a he, she, it, verb second form, finish. इतना ही है. Simple past tense. When something is done, recently we use their simple past. All right. Point number 1. अब यहाँ पे simple past tense use करते कैसे हैं, कब कहाँ use करने वाले हैं, etc. I'm going to show you now over here. So please pay attention. अब यहाँ पर जैसे कि अभी हम लोग को करना है कि when something is done recently हम लोग use करेंगे simple past tense. Rule is there. Noun or pronoun. What do you mean by noun?
Name, place, animal, thing, idea.
Noun means what? Name. Name of a person, place, animal, things, and ideas. And what is a pronoun? How many pronouns do we have in English?
Support of
Is
noun. 7 now.
7 pronouns we have in English. For example, I,
these.
I, we, they, he, has, it.
very good. I, he, she, it, you, we, and they. All right. We have 7 pronouns. So noun लेना है या तो फिर pronoun लेना है. दोनों में से एक लेना है. Plus verb. Verb का लेना है अपने को second form. Plus context. बस finished. इतना ही है. बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. ज्यादा कमजोर दिमाग पे जोर देना नहीं. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. तो ज्यादा जोर देना नहीं है. इतना ही टेंस क्या रूल है अपना. नाउन और प्रोनाउन, वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म. दैट्स इट. नाउन और प्रोनाउन मतलब यानी सब आ जाएगा उसके अंदर. आई, ही, शी, इट, यू, वी, दे, पीटर, मैरी, जॉन, एलन, एलेना, रोहित. ओके, सब आ जाएगा इसके अंदर. नाउ सेंटेंस विल बी लाइक दिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज कब करते हैं? वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द सेकंड फॉर्म. अब कितने लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम है? प्लीज टेल मी नाउ दिस वन. ब्रेक. मुझे यकीन है आप लोग घर पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे होंगे. इसी करना भी मत. कभी इंग्लिश अगर आ गई तो कौन जिम्मेदार है उसका? फिर है कि नहीं? हेलो. नाउ how many of you have the problem that when do we use the second form, when do we use the third form of verb? कितने लोगों को प्रॉब्लम? जुबैर भाई, वाजिद भाई, उमेर भाई, रोहित भाई.
चरा है
सर यूज ही नहीं किया प्रॉब्लम.
अजून नवीनच पण आय पॅकिंग पण नाही तोडली अजून.
नाही नाही वैसे मतलब ब्रोक मतलब तुटलेला आणि नाही ब्रोक म्हणजे तुटलं म्हणजे अगोदर आणि ब्रोकन म्हणजे तुटलेला म्हणजे किंवा असा.
बरोबर ठीक आहे. काम सही. व्हेरी गुड.
break we use it for present, broke we use for past, and broken also used for past.
ओके.
Broken
But-
also use, no, broken used for future.
हाँ. ऐसा मेरे को कुछ तो मांगता ना है आंसर. ब्रोकन फ्यूचर के लिए. वो प्रेजेंट पास्ट के लिए ना, ये वाला फ्यूचर के लिए. जुबैर भाई खतरनाक हो रहे
No,
हैं
it has broken. Nothing.
आप. ओह रियली? यहाँ पे ध्यान दो.
Third form use करेंगे.
Okay. Now we are using first form for present tense and for future tense. For example, listen to me. I break glasses. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is this? Present.
Present.
Yes or no?
Yes.
My glass routine है. I break glasses. Simple present. Next one. I will break glass. What tense is this?
future
Future.
Yeah.
Future tense है. I will break glasses. तो break वहाँ पर future के लिए, present के लिए use हो सकता है. Next one. We use second form only in one tense. And what tense is that?
I had
Past.
broke.
Past is
Past.
Only simple past tense. We use
Tense.
second form of verb only in simple
Simple
past
past.
tense. बाकी कोई भी टेंस के अंदर यूज करते नहीं. कोई टेंस के अंदर यूज नहीं करते. We use simple past tense only for the second form. Getting it? Second form
Yes.
खाली एक का यूज होता है, वो भी simple past tense. And sentence will be like, for example, I broke.
Glass.
Okay? मैंने ग्लास तोड़ा. Next one. When do we use the third form? Third form अपन यूज करते हैं.
Present continuous tense.
I will be broken.
We use third form in all the perfect tenses. कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं? In all the
Present
perfect tenses. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. In all the perfect tenses, we are using third form of verb. Is that clear?
Yes.
क्यों क्या
Yes.
कैसे आगे चल के देखने वाले हैं. Now simple past tense we are having today. We are learning today simple past tense. अब simple past tense कैसा कब कहाँ यूज करना है देखेंगे अभी हम लोग. When something is done recently. अब मैं आप लोग को एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, ध्यान देना है प्लीज, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. ओके, when something is done recently we use that simple past tense. Correct? Now suppose I have two windows. मेरे पास में दो विंडो हैं, विंडो A and विंडो B, और दोनों भी टूट गई हैं. ये भी टूट गई है, ये भी टूट गई है. बट सिनेरियो कुछ ऐसा है, विंडो ए ये टूटी है मंडे के दिन, और विंडो बी ये टूटी है ट्यूसडे के दिन. ध्यान देना. ओके, विंडो ए ये टूटी है मंडे के दिन, विंडो बी टूटी है ट्यूसडे के दिन. दोनों में रिसेंटली कौन है?
Monday.
Tuesday वाली. B.
जुबैर भाई,
Tuesday.
केस
Sorry. Sorry, Tuesday.
ट्यूसडे था. एग्जैक्टली, ट्यूसडे इज द रिसेंट. करेक्ट उमर भाई?
Yes.
जागे जागे.
Yes, sir.
तो ट्यूसडे जो है, ट्यूसडे हेडफोन्स ट्यूसडे इज द रिसेंट. रिसेंट मतलब इन्हें अभी हाल फिलहाल में. तो रिसेंट में अभी कौन सा है भाई? ट्यूसडे रिसेंट है हमारा. यस और नो?
Yes.
Yes.
करेक्ट. नाउ अब ट्यूसडे रिसेंट है तो उसके लिए सेंटेंस क्या बनेगा? सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. अब भी टूटा है ना, कल ही तो टूटा है, तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा? समवन. सेंटेंस में लिख रहा हूं, देखो वहां पे ध्यान दीजिए. समवन ब्रेक का क्या हो जाएगा? ब्रोक.
Broke.
ब्रोक का सेकंड फॉर्म. समवन ब्रोक विंडो बी. आया?
Yeah.
समवन ब्रोक विंडो बी. समवन ब्रोक विंडो बी. आया क्या इधर?
Yes.
करेक्ट. किसी ने विंडो को ब्रेक किया.
But
Second form.
we can use the before window. Is it
हाँ.
possible?
समवन ब्रोक द विंडो बी. बट वहां पे द लगाना जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने विंडो का नाम दे दिया ना उधर बी, तो ऑलरेडी पर्टिकुलर हो गया है. द अपन
हाँ.
पर्टिकुलर बनाने के लिए लगाते हैं. ये अपन कल देखने वाले थे, पर कल आप लोग जरा थोड़े छुट्टी पे गए थे ना. आप गए थे बीच पे, वो वाजिद भाई गए थे कोकन घूमने, लफड़े हो गए. नाउ समवन ब्रोक विंडो बी. भाई लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. समवन ब्रोक विंडो बी. ओके, ये रिसेंटली है. अब ये जो जिसको ज्यादा टाइम हो गया उसके लिए क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग? अब यहाँ पे मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? someone had
Had
broken window
B.
A.
A.
someone had broken window A. मैंने यहाँ पे देखो वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म लिया है. someone had broken window A. किसी ने विंडो A तोड़ चुका था. ज्यादा टाइम हो गया उसको. समझा वाजिद भाई? समझा?
Yes, sir.
I used here second form of verb in simple past tense when something is done recently, and we use third form of the verb when something has been done long time ago. Broken. Is that clear? So break,
Yes, sir.
तोड़ना, broke तोड़ा, and broken तोड़ चुका था long time ago. Like this we can say this is what? Past perfect tense. Someone had broken window A, and someone broke window B recently when something is done recently. Yes.
So we can use instead of had been.
हाँ, obviously someone had been broken. बट इतना लंबा चौड़ा खेलने की जरूरत नहीं है. उसका रूल के हिसाब से अगर अपन देखेंगे तो had प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. दैट्स इट. आगे आने वाला है वो अपना टेंस.
Had sir, had भी लगाना जरूरी है क्या? Had
हाँ, वो वाले टेंस में लगाना जरूरी है. वो
Okay.
वो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस है ना. आगे चल के आने वाला है सब. अभी कैसा भी अपन कच्चे लींबू है ना, छोटे छोटे टेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, फिर आगे आगे चलते जाते बड़े टेंसेस पे लेने वाले हैं अपन. ओके.
Yeah.
So someone broke window B and someone had broken window A. दोनों में फर्क आता है. Is that clear? Any doubts?
No.
So ये था अपना simple past tense. When something is done recently, we use their second form of verb and we use their simple past tense. All right. Point number 1. This is what अब हम लोग sentence बनाएंगे सबके साथ में. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. For all the pronouns, verb.
Second form.
Correct. Verb second form. That's it. For example, I plus. अभी मैंने यहाँ पर अभी आप लोगों के सामने क्या किया? Coffee पिया मैंने.
I had.
Correct. I had
Coffee.
some coffee.
Coffee.
है क्या नहीं? I had some coffee. कब? अभी पिया 5 मिनट पहले. Recently, अत्ता मगाशी. Next, he. Sentence with he. उसने पानी पिया. कैसे बोलेंगे? Drink का क्या हो जाएगा? Second form.
He had.
Okay, but drink के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? Second form of
He
drink.
drunk.
Drunk.
He drunk.
Drank.
Drank.
He drank
Some water.
a little water. उसने थोड़ा पानी पिया. Next, she. तिने झाड़ू मारलाय घरी. घड़ी झाड़ू मारली तिने. कैसे बोलेंगे अपन मराठी में कैसे? इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? She. Sweep का क्या हो जाएगा? Very good. क्या?
Swept.
Correct. She swept the
Floor.
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 काम वाली बाई ने
But
floor
अभी
swept किया.
you can use the ना.
Yeah, she swept the floor. No problem.
कौन सा फ्लोर है पता नहीं.
हाँ, ये वाला फ्लोर है अपन बोल सकते हैं. हाँ, अगर फ्लोर का अगर नाम है she swept, अगर वहाँ पे अपने को बोलना है she swept
First floor.
first floor, ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं अपन. She swept
बेडरूम
first floor.
ऐसे बोल. बेडरूम फ्लोर.
बेडरूम बाथरूम किचन सब बोल सकते हैं अपना अच्छे से बोल.
हाँ सर उसका फिर ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना. शी स्वेप्ट लिविंग रूम फ्लोर.
ओके, लो आपकी भी इच्छा पूरी कर देते हैं. she swept living
लिविंग रूम.
खुश. she swept the living room floor. the living room, आमच्या लिव्हिंग रूमचा फ्लोर तिने झाडून घेतलाय. ओके, it's
शी स्वेप्ट
now
माय लिविंग रूम
it's या ओके it कंपनी के लिए यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं. it's now it hire का क्या हो जाएगा?
फ्लोर.
it hired the employees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Verb second form. Hire will become hired. It hired the employees. Very good. Next one. Another sentence with it for animal. It fly will become
It got the animal.
okay. It caught an animal. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. It caught an animal. Catch का क्या हो जाएगा? Third second form. Caught. It caught a cheetah. उसने एक चीता को पकड़ लिया. किसने? क्रोकोडाइल ने झपाटा ही मारा. मैंने कल लिंक्डइन पर देखा. Super video was there. A cheetah was there. The cheetah was drinking water at the lake. Lake के ऊपर पानी पी रहा था. And suddenly Croco Baba लेके डायरेक्टली उसको नीचे के अंदर वो चीता वो टा 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 टोंटा ए गया चीता गया आउट.
बाय बाय.
या एवरी फादर हैज अ न्यू फादर. हर बाप का एक बाप होता है. चीता को देखने के बाद में रोहित भाई अपन रुकते क्या? वैसे ऊपर वाले ने वैसे वाजिद भाई ऊपर वाले ने क्या बनाया ना एनिमल कि आदमी उसको देखते के साथ में ना कितने बड़ा शेर आदमी रहेगा तो भी ठंडा पड़ जाता है उसको.
बराबर है.
सर मैंने भी कल वीडियो देखा सर. वो स्टेटस पे था एक बंदे के. चीता बाहर था और क्रोकोडाइल अंदर था.
हाँ,
तो चीता बाहर से क्रोकोडाइल को अंदर पानी में जाके निकाल के लेके आ रहा.
अरे बाप
ओ
रे.
माय गॉड, ओ माय गॉड.
वो उस पे लिखा हुआ था कि तुम अपने जगह का घमंड मत करो, वहां से उठाए जाओगे.
ओ माय गॉड, सुपर्ब. बेस्ट. वो वीडियो मिल सकता है क्या वाजिद भाई?
हाँ मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. स्टेटस पे था, मेरे को मांगना पड़ेगा. देखता हूँ मैं.
देखो ना मिला तो.
भेजना.
अरे बहुत भारी. मैं उसके ऊपर लिखता हूँ. फिर मैं उसके ऊपर I'll be writing some article. Yeah, it is
मेरे को
good.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Oh.
Awesome. This is good, huh? See, all of you, I would like to tell you, before we go ahead, I would like to ask you one question. Are you looking for a good job?
Yes.
So, have you maintained your profile on LinkedIn?
Yes, I
Yes, I
have.
have.
Very good. How good have you made your profile? May I know, please? See,
Only
this
post.
is what I believe that I should guide you for a good job. My students are there. One of my student is there, Wajid Bhai. I taught him,
Yes.
Mr. Amin. he has been taught from Mr. Khurram only. And do you know he got a job of 1.8 per month.
Yeah.
1,80,000 का हजरत को पैकेज मिला है पर मंथ का. Yeah. So this is what see my profile on LinkedIn. I want you to have like this. Have you made like this your profile? Yes.
सर फोटो बहुत अच्छा निकाले. फोटो कहाँ निकाले सर?
मेरा स्टूडेंट एक उसका स्टूडियो है, वो स्टूडियो पे निकाला मैंने वो.
मेरे को भी ऐसा कर निकालना है. लिंक्डइन पे ऐसा ही फोटो रहना चाहिए. देख के ही प्रोफाइल समझना कि आदमी क्या है.
सामने वाला बंदा जो है ना, सी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इफ यू वांट गुड प्रोफाइल, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अगर आपको चाहिए, आपको पता है इन लिंक्डइन पीपल आर कमिंग टू कोलैबोरेट विद मी. डू यू नो दिस? अभी मेरा एज ही क्या है, एंड पीपल आर कमिंग टू कोलैबोरेट विद मी. आई हैव गॉट अ लेडी who's from Singapore and she wanted to collaborate with me for IELTS. For IELTS, she wanted to collaborate with me, and see, this is what the profile picture, and see the title, Ansar Idrisi, India's leading English growth hacker. सामने वाला देखते के साथ नहीं बोलना चाहिए ओ माय गॉड बाप है ये. वैसा अपन रहने का भी, हाँ, नहीं तो लिखा बहुत अच्छा है अंदर कुछ नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं रहना चाहिए. कचरा बहुत बेकार होता है फिर. Next, founder at Cambridge Tutorials, IELTS qualified with twice with 8.5 band, international accent trainer, IELTS trainer, motivational speaker, personality development, and corporate and soft skills trainer. Next, if you see here, see, मेरा एक post 1 hour के अंदर, just in an hour, it goes around 276 views. 1581 लोगों ने मेरा प्रोफाइल अब तक के सर्च किया है. Just within a month ये सब मैंने किया है. Within a month, 1.5 month पहले मेरा प्रोफाइल इतना जबरदस्त नहीं था. So this is what exactly I want to tell you, that if you want to make your profile amazing, I would like to tell you that you should go something greater like this. उसके अंदर आप लोग डेटा इंसर्ट करो, आपके अंदर उसके अंदर जो है ना डेटा इंसर्ट करो. सी, मेरा एक पोस्ट पुराना अगर आप लोग जाकर अगर देखेंगे, पुराना एक पोस्ट, तो उसको कुछ भी नहीं मिलता था. एंड सी, रिसेंटली आई पोस्टेड वन ऑफ माई स्टोरी. मैं ऐसे लिखता हूँ आजकल, बहुत सारा मैं लिख रहा हूँ आजकल, मैं लिखना स्टार्ट किया हूँ, एंड आई एम राइटिंग डे बाय डे. अब मैं लिख रहा हूँ, हर दिन लिख रहा हूँ. इफ यू सी हियर, सी माय दिस पोस्ट, ये मैंने कब किया था? 6 दिन पहले किया था. इसको देखो कितना मिला है, 47 लाइक्स मिला है इसको. एंड सी द व्यूज, मोर देन 2200.
बहुत सही है एकदम.
एंड अगर आप लोग, मैं नीचे अगर जाऊंगा ना, आप लोग को देखो वीडियो के ऊपर कितना लाइक्स मिला है, ओनली 12 लाइक्स. 47 क्या है, ओनली 11 लाइक्स. Nothing was there. 8 likes. See, 4 likes. Nothing was there. 16 likes only. So this is what I want you to make your profile amazing. Profile ऐसा बनाओ ना, that person should come to you. आना ही चाहिए आपके पास में, अरे यार कोई तो बंदा है यार ये. See my followers. How many followers do I have?
8,000.
8,296.
सर कौन से, किसके ऊपर?
LinkedIn. It is the
LinkedIn,
greatest
LinkedIn.
platform for
Oh.
professional people. Yeah. अगर आपने ये Facebook नहीं है, Facebook पे खाली तुम चल रहे क्या, तुम्हारे लिए मैं लेके आता वो, मेरे को गार्डन में मिलो, इधर वो नहीं चलता. इधर सब प्रोफेशनल लोग मिलेंगे आपको. It is the best platform. So
कौन सा बोले?
LinkedIn.
बहुत
लिंक्डइन.
लोग रहते हैं लिंक्डइन पे.
बहुत इसके ऊपर जो आपको मिलेंगे ना, सी, पीपल आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माई अपॉइंटमेंट. एक बंदा है, वो उसने मेरे को अपॉइंटमेंट मांगते ना थक गया हो. अभी मैं भी क्या कर सकता हूँ, वो बंदे का खुद का गलती है. ये बंदा है, देखो कब कितनी बार इसका ये हुआ, कब से कर रहा है बात मेरे से. वो मीटिंग ही फिक्स नहीं हो पा रहा है हमारा, दिख रहा है अभी तक के. इसको मैंने एक इन्विटेशन सेंड किया था मेरा, बाद में इतना मीटिंग के लिए बोला उसने, मीटिंग ही फिक्स नहीं हुआ हमारा अभी तक के. Why he wants to collaborate with me. So this is what exactly I want to tell you. If you want to go for a good job, then maintain your profile on LinkedIn. Make your profile and just maintain it. Daily start putting there something. Whatever you have learned, put all the certifications. आप लोग जाकर देखो ना, मैंने ब्रिटिश काउंसिल का जितने भी सर्टिफिकेशंस किया है, सामने वाला देखते के साथ ही बोलता है अरे बाप रे. अपना जो भी टैलेंट है, जो भी जाके कुछ सब पूरा स्किल्स उधर बताने का, आपको जॉब घर बैठे आएगा, guaranteed. All right. So it caught a cheetah. Next one, make sentences once more with it. For example, it, now fan is there. Rotate will become? Rotate.
Rotate.
It rotated. It rotated.
Rotate.
Correct. Rotate will become rotated. It rotated fast. It rotated fast.
First.
So I want second form of verb. Next one, we. Sentence with we. For example, we. Write will become? Write.
Wrote.
Correct.
Wrote.
We wrote a
Letter.
letter. Good. Next one. You. Sentence with you. You. Teach will become?
Sorry.
Teach.
Teach.
Taught. Yes or no? You taught a lesson. तुम्ही आम्हाला एक lesson शिकवलाय. You taught a lesson. आपने मुझे एक lesson सिखाया. You taught a lesson. Next one. They.
Told also taught, no sir. Tell,
Told.
taught.
Yeah, that is what tell, told. And teach, the second form of teach is what? Taught. Yeah.
What?
Okay. Bring will become? What is the second form of bring? Brought.
Brought.
They brought.
Correct. They brought some
Vegetable.
vegetables. Yes or no?
Yes. They brought,
They brought
vegetable.
some vegetables. Good. So here bring will become brought. See, मैंने आप लोगों को पहले ही बोला था. Please practice at home, especially for your verbs. अभी तकलीफ हो सकता है. So अभी अच्छे से sentence बनाइए please. I want only the second form of verb. You have to take a second form of verb and make sentences with them. Is that clear? Any doubts to anyone with simple past
No.
tense?
No.
बहुत easy है. बहुत easy है. You are going to take only the second form of verb. Take the second form of verb. Which one?
They
Which
beat
one?
them.
Correct. ये बीच वाला लेने का खाली.
Right. They beat
Only-
them.
Correct. They beat them.
Simple.
Very simple. Simple past tense is there.
We
Very
became a
simple.
professional.
Correct. We became professional. Give me some sentences with simple past tense. Faster and faster. Take the second form of verb and make sentences. जो middle वाला है ना, मैंने अभी underline किया उसको, sideline मारा है उसको, red वाला उसको. Yes, take the second form and make sentences with I. For example, I said the truth. I ran in the garden. I ran away from there. I caught a ball. I caused the project. I brought some vegetables. I built houses. I broke the glass. I blew a candle. I bet with Rahul. I bent the rod. I began a new business. I crept on the floor. I dealt with the company. I dug a road. I did my homework. I drew a picture. I drank some coffee. I drove a car. सब मैं ही बनाऊं?
Yes sir.
Yes बोल रहे. Oh,
I ate a fruit.
वाजिद भाई. I ate fruit. Good.
Eat or ate?
Yes.
What
Ate.
I
Ate.
ate?
I sold a project.
Yes.
I broadcast demo.
I broadcast demo.
I came at home.
I paid
I
bill.
came at home.
I cut my nail.
I paid the bill. I cut my nails. Yes.
I
I
drank
spoke,
water.
don't try this. I spoke, don't try this.
Very good.
I sent
spoke.
mail.
Next.
I sent the mail.
I sent the mail.
He beat them.
Very good.
I had spent lot of time.
Good.
I drew the picture.
I drew the picture. Yes.
I had a okay.
I had a party.
I had a stuck in issue.
Very good.
I
had
broke
an
my
issue.
rule.
Yes.
I broke my rule.
I broke my rule.
I
Yes.
broadcast my network.
Very good.
I beat my friend.
I stood for you.
Very good.
I ran away.
I caught a ball.
Very good.
I broke chair.
Good.
I saw murder.
Very good.
I
I
cut
made them.
Good.
I cut vegetable.
Very good.
I shot them.
Very good. I shot them.
I slept early.
I slept early. Very good. Now you are making good sentences. Rohit and Umer, आप दोनों पार्टी में है क्या?
I rode a bike.
हाँ, बोला बोला. Very good. Bye.
I shut my home. I shut my
Yeah.
office. Sorry.
I shut my office.
I did my work.
I did my work.
I met my ideal.
Good. I met my ideal. Next.
I ate chicken.
Good.
I don't know swam.
I cost to pay.
Good. I caused to pay. I caused the project. Yes, continue please. Second
I
form
thought
of
he
verb.
is right. I thought he is right.
Correct. I thought.
I draw my bike.
Good.
I
Yes.
saw her with him.
I saw her. Very good. कैसे दिल से आ रहा है देखो सेंटेंस अभी. मिथिला बघितलेला. I saw her. Very good.
दिल से.
I
I
said the
woke
wood.
up early in morning.
I woke up
early
early.
in morning.
In the morning. Very good. I woke up early in the
said,
morning.
I said the wood.
I said the.
Wood.
Okay.
I wrote email yesterday.
I wrote email yesterday. Good.
I paid the bill.
Yes. I paid the bill.
I made a chapati.
Very good.
I met my friends.
I met my friends.
I
I
lost my
made
key.
chapati. Aha. Okay,
I
what is
lost my-
chapati? What is what? Wait. What is chapati in English?
Chap-
Wajid bhai, what is chapati in English? Rohit bhai, chapati in English?
Chapati.
Chapati.
Roti.
Chapati.
Chapati
Acha.
is English word.
Tortilla.
Tortilla.
Yeah, tortilla. Chorkela. So that's what? Tortilla. Okay, tortilla is what? Roti. Chapati.
Roti.
Chapati is not correct. What?
No, it is Hindi origin word.
Only
How-
crossover.
How could a foreigner will understand this? What is this, chapati? I didn't get it, Mr. Zubair. Could you please explain what is chapati? So you won't be able to understand it well. Okay, you can take these new words and make sentences well. Guys, make new sentences with these new words.
I found my key.
I found my key.
I spread jam on bread.
Good.
I got
I
the
spread
amount.
jam on bread. Jam nahi ho, those jam.
Jam.
Yes,
I got the
hate-
amount.
I got
The amount.
the amount.
I knew about his park. I knew about his park.
Good. I knew about
I-
this part.
I went to the market.
I went to the market.
I stuck the photo.
I stuck the photo.
I grew my tree.
Very good.
I heard something.
I heard something.
I knew them.
I knew them.
I went to college.
Very good.
I left the home.
I left the home.
I
I
swam
felt-
yesterday.
I felt not well. I felt not well yesterday.
Correct. I felt not well yesterday.
I swam yesterday.
I
swam yesterday.
okay.
I kept my
I'll-
salary.
I kept my salary.
Let them know.
I let them know.
Hmm.
They laid on the floor.
They
Oh.
laid on the floor.
I swam in the ocean.
Very good.
I taught basic English.
I taught basic English.
They forgot my name.
They forgot my name.
They found their home.
They found their home.
I tore my sheets. ro-
I
I tore my rough sheets.
repeat.
I tore my rough sheets.
I tore my rub sheets.
I
Good.
sent the letter. I sent the letter.
I sent the letter.
They fell on road.
They felt on road. They fell on road.
I
Fell.
spoke
I
I
thought
spoke.
about. I thought
English.
about.
I
They
thought
forgave
about.
me.
They forgave me.
I thought about future.
I thought about future.
They kept their pages.
They kept their pages. Yes.
I
I spent
understand
time in
yesterday.
mosque.
Understood.
I understood yesterday.
Correct.
What time?
I
I learned
spent
no.
time in mosque.
I went in a mosque. Yes,
I
Zubair bhai.
learned
I learned. I learned. I learned
I
French.
wrote good.
I wrote good.
I wrote good paper.
I wrote a good paper.
I took an opportunity.
I took an opportunity.
I sold my car.
I sold my car.
I split my letter.
I split my letter.
I stood in front of them.
I stood in front of them.
I paid my bill.
I paid my bill.
They stole my key.
I
They stole
felt
my key. I
so sad.
felt sad.
They stuck their home. Their
They-
work.
They
They
stuck
stuck
their
their-
they stuck their work.
I
Yes.
saw what's going on.
Very good. Okay, can
I
you
fought
please give me
with them.
some? I fought with them. Very good. Can you please give me some second sentences with he, she?
He won the match.
He won the match.
What exactly tell?
He won the match.
No,
Make
no, no.
sentences. Make sentences with he or she.
Okay.
Yes. He forgot my name.
He forgot keys. He forgot
Good.
keys.
She
He
thought
forgot
about
keys.
future.
He
Very
flew
good.
up.
She thought about future.
She got the degree.
She got the degree.
He brought
Rohit.
documents. He brought documents.
He brought.
He,
Very good. He brought documents.
She
He
gave
flew up.
some amount to him.
She gave some amount to him. She borrowed. She lent some amount to him. Yes.
he flew up.
He played PUBG.
She fell from mountain.
He flew.
She fell.
She fell from mountain.
Good. She fell
He
from
led-
mountain.
He laid on the wall.
He led on the wall. He landed on the
Floor.
floor.
I got good marks.
I got good marks.
Just as she
I
left
got-
home.
She
Left home.
left home. Okay.
He
I
gave me
got
bike.
good.
Very
He
good.
gave me bike.
He
He
gave you
learned-
the
Gave
bike.
me bike.
She learned
Good.
Japanese language.
She learned Japanese.
He spent time with family.
He spent time with family. Rohit. She
He
left
gave
me.
you.
He stuck in issues. He
She
stuck
took-
in issues.
Very good. He is stuck in his shoe.
She
Yes.
took her purse.
She took her purse and my wallet even.
He gave new clothes.
He gave new clothes.
He dealt with
he,
me.
he threw the ball.
He threw the ball. He dealt with me. Good.
He sat at seat.
He swam in the water.
He swam in the water.
He is stuck in his work.
He stuck his in work.
He heard I am good person.
He heard I'm a good person.
He took the plate.
He built the application.
He built the application. He made
He
the
hit her.
application. He
Hit her.
hit her.
He spent
He
She left the job.
she left the job.
he hold
He
his
held
friend.
he held his friend. Held,
He
second form.
held. Yes.
Yes.
He had
Yeah.
cleared last round.
Very
He had
good.
a clear last round.
Correct. He cleared last round, or he had cleared last round. So he had cleared past perfect tense. I want simple past tense. So he cleared the last round.
He
Yes.
sat in front of our parents.
He sat in front of our parents. Good.
He kept my bike's key.
Very good.
He knew
Yes.
about project. He knew about
Store
project.
progress.
Good.
He just gone.
He gone. He gone. No. He just gone. No. He went. Second form of a go. Went. He went to the market.
He
Yeah.
swept the footpath.
Correct.
He lay to me.
He took the
Lied to
printout.
me. He lied to me. He took
He
the
took the
printouts.
printout.
Very good. He, she. Umer bhai.
She waved car glasses.
Very good.
He wore formal.
He
Right.
wore kurta.
He wore a kurta.
He wore
That
formal.
kurta is what? He wore formals. That
Okay.
kurta is called lines.
He thought I am wrong. He
Very
thought
good.
I am wrong.
Correct.
won
He
the
thought
medal.
I'm wrong.
She won the medal.
She won the medal. Won. She
He
won the
fought.
medal.
Fought for rights.
He fought for rights.
He wrote the mail.
Correct. He wrote the mail.
He stood on bus stop.
He stood on bus stop.
He slept at early night.
He slept early nights.
He spread good vibes.
Correct. He spread good vibes.
He swam in the morning. He swam in the morning.
Very good. He swam in the morning.
He fled in the sky.
Very good. He fled in the sky.
He slept 6 hours.
Very good. He slept 6 hours.
He forgot his work.
He forgot his work. Very good.
He spoke a song.
He sung a song.
Sung a song. Okay.
He sang a song. Sorry. He sang a song.
He forgave poor people.
He forgave poor people. Very good. You people are making good sentences.
He felt so hard.
Repeat once again, Wajid bhai.
He got offer letter yesterday.
Correct. He got an offer letter yesterday. An offer letter yesterday. Yes, Umer bhai.
He felt so hard.
He felt so hard. Rohit bhai. Zubair bhai.
Yes.
Yes.
He won match.
He won a match. Good.
He swung in the sky.
He swam in the sky. Okay. Can you please give me some sentences with it? It.
It.
Yeah. Take the second form of verb and make sentences with it. It. इसका second
got-
form कैसे बनता है? Of
It
regular
got the
verbs.
project.
It got the project. Yes. How to make the second form of these words? Wajid bhai, how to make the second form of these words? These are what? List of regular verbs.
Ex-
ED.
Correct.
Accepted.
You are going to put there only
ED.
correct ed and it will become the second and third form. For example, abandon will become
Abandoned.
correct, abandoned. Abolish will become
Abolished.
Abolished.
abolished. Very good. Accept will become
Accepted.
Accepted.
very good.
Accepted.
आता है यार आप लोग को तो माशाल्लाह. चलो जल्दी जल्दी बनाओ जल्दी. Make sentences now. I want you to make sentences now with these words. New words are there in front of you guys. I want you to make good sentences now with it. It arrested the criminals. Who? Police. It kicked the employees. Who? Company. It certified the journal. Who? College management. It charged me thousands of rupees. Who? Company. It changed the policies. Who? Company. It astonished my dreams. Who? Company. It acquired.
It approached me to early join. It
Very
approached me to early join.
Correct.
It arranged the event. Who? College.
Aha, aha. Who? College.
Bye. सही.
Zabardast Zubair bhai.
I'm wrong.
Yes, you are rock. Zubair bhai is rock.
You are rock. We are shock.
Yeah, we are shocked. He's rock. Yeah, continue. It scared me. It captured the area. Who? Government.
It's always calculated to operation cost.
Good.
Yep.
It attack on Pakistan.
Very good. It attacked on Pakistan. Who? Army. Good.
Um,
Amazing.
Complete
Amazing.
the sentence, Rohit.
Who? India.
Army.
Good, good. It arranged a meeting. Yes.
It
It
charged the
belonged
mobile.
to me. It charged the mobile. Good.
It
Charger.
admitted
Admitted.
the patient.
Very good.
It
It admitted
arranged the
me.
it arranged the DJ night. Who? Council. College council.
Ah, ah, ah. Very nice, very nice. Again, good. It commanded the army. Who? Colonel or the government? Yes,
It
it
climbed the
cheated me.
mountain.
It hid It hid behind the mountain. Hide will become hid. It abused the child. Who? Maybe the orphanage. It approached me on time.
It acquired Hotterbox.
Very
It
good.
adopt it
Acquired.
adopted a baby boy.
Very good.
Wow.
It adore
Adored.
adore. It adore Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Who?
Very
Indian.
good. Indian people. Very good. India. Good. It
It behaved
advanced.
very angry.
It behaved angrily. Good.
Angry.
Good. Very good. It advanced the technology. Who? The country. The company.
It
Country.
believed on their trust.
Very good. It believed their trust. It cleaned the room.
It banned
Very good. It banned
PUBG. Who?
PUBG.
Government.
Good.
It belonged
Good.
to celebrity.
It belonged to celebrities. Good. Very good. Wajid bhai.
Yes, sir.
It attended the seminar.
It attended the seminar. It betrayed me. Who? The company betrayed me. Pandemic के अंदर निकाल दिया company से.
It assisted the employee.
It assisted the employees. Good. It
Yeah.
captured.
It asked the employee.
It asked the employees.
Mm,
It arrived on time. What? Train.
It
It
ascended the order.
ascended the order. Good.
it learn advanced English. Who? Cambridge tutorial.
Oh,
It forecasted yesterday raining.
very good.
It closed
Very
at
good.
time.
It closed on time. Yes. It behaved rudely.
It collected the
Information.
It collected on time.
Very good. It collected on time. Take some new words. Take some new words.
It cleaned properly.
It cleaned properly. Good. It compensated my loss.
It chatted consistently.
It chatted
It-
consistently.
It misdealt with me.
Very good. It misdealt with me. Good. Nice sentence. Nice sentence.
It
Thank you.
committed suicide.
It
It committed
extended
suicide. It extended my validity.
It communicated properly.
Good. Nice. Umer bhai, are you sleeping?
It compared with others.
Very good.
it extended this same. Who? An university. A
A
university.
university.
It gave the compensated.
Very
It
good.
in-
Compensation.
It injured the people.
Good. It injured the people. Wajid bhai, keep on. It calculated.
It calculated the final value.
Very good.
It
It cancelled
confused.
my. It confused. Good.
It calculated correctly.
It calculated correctly. Good.
It called me for job. Who?
It
Company.
called me for job. Good. Okay, could you please give me some sentences with you, we, they? You, we, and they. You, we, they. You
They admit the
betrayed me.
mistake.
You allowed
They
me.
admitted the mistake. Yes,
You
Zubair bhai.
allowed me.
You allowed me.
They agreed with my condition.
They agreed with my condition. We bribed them. Rishwat diya. They compared
behave-
me.
They behaved very politely.
They behaved politely. Good.
They applied the rule.
application.
Very good.
They
Next
blamed
sentences.
on me.
They blamed me. Good. You, we, they. Make sentences with you, we, and they.
application.
We boycotted him.
Boycotted.
We boycotted him.
Good. We boycotted him.
We calculated the final
You
result.
boiled eggs.
Very good. You boiled. Yes, Zubair bhai.
We calculated the final result.
Correct. We calculated. Yes, we.
We stuck in thread. We stuck in thread.
Very good. We stuck in thread. Good.
We cancelled next session.
Very good. We cancelled the next session.
You called the cops.
Very good.
We decided to go there.
Good.
We declared the examination.
Good.
You defeated
We
me.
disturbed them.
We disturbed them. Yes, Zubair bhai.
You defeated me.
You defeated me. You appeared on time.
We consulted them.
Very good. We applied for a job.
We
They
approved their letter.
Very good. We approved the letter.
We
Good.
divided in the group.
They
We divided into group.
We applied online
They?
form.
They applied online form. Yes, they
holidays.
declared a holiday.
They
Good.
declared
You disturbed by noise.
Very good. Very good. Wajid bhai,
We
make
gave-
sentences.
We gave appointed.
Yes, sir.
We
yes.
gave appointed. Appointment.
We gave
Okay.
appointed.
They conjured the people.
They conjured the people. We
They
answered
compared-
them.
They compared
com-
with me.
They compared with me. We
They
distributed
communicated
some.
with me.
Good.
You concluded.
You
the-
committed
the
suicide.
group.
हा ओके, सुसाइड के लिए भी याद आया. हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में कुछ दूं आप लोगों को.
Yes.
Yeah.
You
You
committed a suicide, right?
Yes.
इसकी जगह पे ये सेंटेंस जरा थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव दिख रहा है. उसकी जगह पे अपन कुछ तो अच्छा लेंगे. You made a supreme sacrifice. ऐसे लग रहा है बहुत बड़ा बलिदान दिया है इसने. आयुष जी शपथ. और किया क्या उसने? सुसाइड किया. हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में ऐसा बोलते हैं. You committed a suicide. उसको क्या बोलेंगे? You made a supreme sacrifice. Okay? Good. भारी दिख रहा है ना? ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत बड़ा बलिदान दिया है इसने.
Sir, you made मतलब you committed a suicide. एक कैसा हो सकता है? कर उसने तो वो तो सुसाइड किया उसने. हम उसको कैसे बोलेंगे? तूने सुसाइड किया.
उसके जाने के बाद में बोल सकते ना,
हम्म.
तू माझे पैसे देऊन नाही गेला, तू सुसाइड केली तू.
कवर पे आके बोलना पड़ेगा उसके रोहित.
क्या बोले?
उसके कवर पे जाके बोलना पड़ेगा. वाजिद भाई, आपको एक बात सुनाऊं क्या?
तेरा
हाँ,
अच्छा
सर.
नहीं होगा.
आपने फजल भाई है ना,
हाँ.
अरे भाई.
फजल भाई अपने इमरान सर के साथ में आते थे क्लास को, पर्वती दर्शन में.
हाँ, आते थे ना. हाँ.
I was teaching once conversation informal,
हाँ.
and in that conversation informal we had the last parting was their adieu. Adieu means what? Alvida.
अलविदा.
करेक्ट.
ये.
अब वो जो था फजल भाई, अभी अब सब शांत बैठे थे. फजल, अब मैं बोला बी से एडियो व्हेन समवन इज लिविंग फॉरएवर. यस और नो?
Yes. sir.
Yes.
Right.
जब कोई चीज कोई हमेशा के लिए हमको छोड़कर जा रहा था, अपन उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? एडियो. फजल भाई मुझे क्या पूछे मालूम? इमरान सर बाजू में बैठे थे उनके. फजल भाई मुझे पूछे, बदियुद्दीन भाई भी थे वहां पर. फजल भाई मुझे पूछे, सर अगर कोई अगर मरता रहेगा तो उसको बोल सकते हैं क्या एडियो?
ऐसे ही मर जाएगा.
अरे वो तो ऐसे ही मर जाएगा यार. बोला यार तुम्हें इतना जल्दी यार मेरे को.
ओ भाई.
इमरान सर को मैं पहली बार इतना देखा, इतना हंसते हुए. सर बोले अरे क्या यार बदियुद्दीन, मतलब फजल भाई यार क्या क्वेश्चन है? वो अभी बेचारा कोई मर रहा है, उसको अगर अपन बोलेंगे एडियो, जुबैर भाई चलेगा क्या? अरे वो तो वैसे ही मर जाएगा ना सुनते के साथ ही, अरे यार हकाल रहे तुम लोग यार मेरे को, ये चलो ए जाओ दे मैं डाल लो।
हाँ
वो एडू बोलने के बाद जल्दी 5 मिनट जल्दी मर जाएगा, अरे भाई ये भी बोल रहे हैं मुझे, जा भाई।
कटकन
ऐसे
जाए
ही मर
बाबा,
जाएगा।
ऐसे ही मर जाएगा वो तो।
अरे बाप रे।
ओके यस यू भी
तो
देख।
किसी दिन बात हुआ मेरा फजल भाई से सर,
क्या बोले?
बात हुआ फजल भाई से, मैं बोला ज्वाइन करना है तो करो बोल के फजल भाई को।
अरे उनको बोलो, उन्होंने ना क्या किया मालूम है, एड़े चाले उनके,
हाँ
फजल भाई ने फी पे किया है, ओनली
हाँ
सम अमाउंट इज रिमेनिंग, ही पेड द फी एंड ही जस्ट लेफ्ट द क्लास। अभी
नहीं अभी
पेंडेमिक के अंदर की बात है वो।
अभी अभी सर है ना, जरूरत है उनको, सर्चिंग है और प्रॉब्लम कम्युनिकेशन का आ रहा है सर उनको।
Do you know one more thing? Wajid bhai, see, personally you can ask him. I've personally I've consulted him. Do you know this?
यस सर
Do you know
इंशाल्लाह।
one more thing? See, generally I'm really sorry to say this, but मेरे पास में टाइम नहीं मिलता है, मुझे मालूम है। I'm really sorry for this one. मुझे टाइम मिल नहीं पा रहा है। आज भी मैं ना सर पूरे सुबह से जो भाग रहा था ना काम के अंदर, अभी शाम में आया, फिर आप लोगों का लेक्चर अभी लिया हूँ, अभी आपके बाद में 2 लेक्चर्स और है मेरे, कंटिन्यूसली है। एक 6 बजे रहेगा, वो 7:15 तक चलता है, 7:15 से 8:30 बजे तक के कंटिन्यूसली लेक्चर्स रहते हैं मेरे। मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मैंने उनको टाइम निकाल कर मैंने उनको कंसल्ट किया था, पता है आपको। उनको मैंने समझाया इतना, उनको मैंने इतना मोटिवेट किया, बट बाबा के दिमाग में क्या ही क्या मालूम, वो छोड़ के बैठ गए वो।
हाँ ना बहुत वो हो गया थोड़ा, अभी मेरे को भी अच्छा नहीं लगा बहुत, इतना ज्यादा स्टडी किए हुए हो और इसमें बिग डेटा में भी अच्छा हैंड्स ऑन है, बट थोड़ा
एक्चुअली वो थोड़ा सा ना, वो थोड़ा सा डिप्रेशन में जाते हैं जरा। उनको 1000 बार मैंने बोला हूँ कि देखो, टेंशन लेने से टेंशन हल होता नहीं है, मसला हल होता नहीं है।
सही है।
जितना आप टेंशन लेंगे मसला डबल होते रहेगा। सो बेटर देन दैट यू कैन जस्ट वर्क ऑन इट एंड यू आर गोइंग टू गेन। उनको नॉलेज भी अच्छा है।
अच्छा नॉलेज है सर,
हम्म।
बहुत मेहनत बहुत करते हैं, बस थोड़ा सा पुश चाहिए सर। अभी मैं बात करूंगा आज शाम में इंशाल्लाह से।
या जस्ट टेल हिम एंड सी, जस्ट टेल हिम इन दिस बैच ओनली, क्योंकि उनका तो जो है मतलब इससे भी थोड़ा आगे गया था, तभी उन्होंने छोड़ा था वो बैच। और वो बैच क्या स्मूथ गया बैच, पता है आपको।
हाँ
2 o'clock का, उनको बोलो आपके साथ में ज्वाइन करेंगे, शायद आपके साथ में रहेंगे तो जरा थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे भी उधर। And
ठीक है
second
सर।
thing is what, in this batch we have only 4 people. You are there, Zubair bhai is there, Rohit bhai is there, Umer bhai is there. Only 4 people are there. So इसके अंदर पर्सनल अटेंशन ज्यादा मिल रहा है लोगों को, बिकॉज 10 स्टूडेंट्स का बैच है। बट जब ज्यादा टाइम हो गया, मुझे स्टूडेंट्स नहीं मिले, तो मैंने 4 लोगों के साथ में स्टार्ट कर दिया हो। तो यहाँ पे कैसे है, पर्सनल अटेंशन मिल रहा है, अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, सबको पर्सनली बात करने का मेरे से मौका मिलता है। बाकी क्लासेस के अंदर क्या होता है कि इतना इंटरेक्शन नहीं हो पाता जल्दी से।
सही है सर।
So just tell him and just motivate him that he will join once again.
इंशाल्लाह सर।
Yeah, sure.
Will
And see, guys, one more thing is there. This is what our simple past tense. Do you have any problem with this simple past tense?
no
Yes, Zubair bhai, Rohit
No.
bhai, Umer bhai.
No, sir.
Yeah, I have a gift for
No,
you.
sir, no.
The gift is what? Very simple gift. You have to make your daily routine in the past tense, and you have to show me tomorrow. Means what? You are going to speak up here tomorrow in front of the camera with your past routine. आज के दिन का जो routine है आपको उसको बोलना है कल in the past tense. How are you going to tell your routine in the past tense? For example, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rohit Kunjir. I'm a student. Today I'm going to talk about my yesterday's routine. मैं आपको मेरे कल के routine के बारे में बताऊंगा. Today I'm going to talk about my yesterday's routine. Yesterday, आप लोग ऐसे start कर सकते हैं. Yesterday I woke up. Wake up का क्या हो जाएगा रोहित?
woke up.
Yesterday I woke up around, सकाळी 11 वाजता उठलेलो मी, कारण की रात्रभर चॅटिंग चालू होती आपली. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Yesterday I woke up around 5:30. Then only it will be in the past tense. Yes or no?
Yes.
जो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में आप लोगों ने ठोका था, आके उसको सिर्फ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में बोलना है. वेरी इजी. आप लोगों को कंपनी में पूछने वाला है ये. Why? Just to check your grammar, just to check your English, just to check your sentences as well. So yesterday I woke up around 5:30. Then I went to the John. What is John? Toilet.
Toilet.
Get good. Next, then I brushed my teeth. Yes or no? Then I brushed my teeth. Brush will become brushed. Ed लगेगा. Second form. Then have will become had. Then I had a shower. Zubair bhai, are you listening?
Yes.
Good. Then I prepared myself. Correct? Then I make will become made. Then I made breakfast. Okay. Then I have will become I had breakfast. Yes or no?
Yes.
हाँ,
देखो ना, एक भी नहीं बोल रहा बीच में घुस के, कह रहे रहने दो बस, बाकी का हम लोग बनाते हैं, पूरा बना के देंगे हमारे को। बनाओ 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 बनाओ, ये बोलता मैं कल। बना के दो बना के दो। अरे खतरनाक लोग।
एक और टी शर्ट और कोट से निकाल
क्या वाजिद भाई?
इजी हो रहा ना सर?
जुबेर भाई, वो उमेर भाई को तो बोलो ही मत, वो तो भाई दुनिया में ही नहीं है यहाँ पे, वो तो कोई तो और है। रोहित बोला वो बनू दे एक गप बस रे, हो दे।
क्लाउड पे।
So मुझे कल ऐसे चाहिए, okay? Then I made breakfast, then I had breakfast, then I went to the party. Then yesterday my girlfriend called me and then I went to the jungle. Then we sat there for a long time and suddenly we found there was a tiger. Then we ran away with the bare feet. And then later on I got to know that my girlfriend's father was there. He was at my home. So पूरा उसको आप लोगों को enjoy के साथ में बताना है that whatever you have done today, okay? You have to explain me your yesterday's routine over here. By the way, it was really very easy tense. We are going to have it once again tomorrow. We are going to have this first tomorrow. You have to speak up over here and please, it's my humble request to you, don't be absent, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah.
And see, almost around 15 to 20 days I've given you extra in your course which are absolutely free, so please help me to help you to speak up more and to grow more. And if you have any questions, any doubts, dialogues and all, any problems and all, you can ask me surely. All right. And today I'm going to share with you my new file, so just save it and try to practice from there. All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Bye.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.